गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल्स एंड दोस्तों माय बेस्ट विशेस ऑन दिस होली फेस्टिवल ऑफ शरद नवरात्रि. So I pray to Ma Bhagwati provide to bliss to everyone, and on this occasion we will get all the liberation from our bondage which we are facing so many problems in our day-to-day life. So today we are going to discuss, we are going to understand about the this festival, this holy festival. So every years we celebrate every in the two time in the year we celebrate this festival Navratri Parv. But this time now we are going to celebrate, this is the Sharad Navratri, and we will worship the Devi during these 9 days, and we will get some blessing from the Devi. So everybody is celebrating this festival from for so many years, and we have been celebrating this festival for so many years. But we are not understanding the essence of the Bhagwati Mata, and what is the Devi, and what is the role of the Devi, and what is the meaning of the Devi. So here today we will try to understand ki what is the Devi. So you can understand the Lord Shiv is manifestation of the Lord Shiv. It is called the Shakti, power, and power means Devi. Devi means nature. Devi means world. Devi means mother. Devi means woman. Devi means Maya. Devi means Mahamaya. Devi means Devi is ready to provide to all the humanity. So there are three gift for all humanity. Devi is ready to provide us. So during this Navratri festival, so we pray to for the Devi is the provide the Janm Daini, Mrityu Daini, Mukti Daini. So this is the three opportunity, and this type of the virtue the Devi is, the Bhagwati is has. So during this festival we need to understand and we need to pray Ma Bhagwati, क्योंकि यानी since we born in this earth and we born with incompleteness, and always we feel incompleteness, and we want fulfill our incompleteness to fulfill our physically desires. So every day and every day our senses, knowledgeable senses, connect with the outer world, and we see so many things which is connect in the material things, and all desire will toward the material world, and the material world is always attract to us. The senses gives information when we connect, our eye is connect in the outer world, when our ear is connect in the listening so many things, and our nose is smelling so many foods and delicious vengeance. So and they will inspire to our ego कि you can eat everything and you can enjoy all material things. So this is the phenomena of the body. So but actual meaning is the Devi Bhagwati. So you can understand one things, we born with DNA comes from the soil. It means the DNA, it means the name of the meaning of the DNA is a riboneucleic acid. and it is a chemical acid, and so it is the genes is included in the DNA. And what is the genes is included in the Satripu. Satripu, it means Kam, Krodh. Satripu means desire, greed, illusions, inhibitions, जिसको you can say in Hindi काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मद, मात्सर्य. These are the seed of the genes. So you can understand the genes is converting the RNA, and RNA it will convert in the proteins, and our body structure will be developed. And that time protein needs some amino acid to develop the proteins and develop to the body. So you can understand all the our body is the chemical structure, but this is the virtue which is implanted. This is the virtue which is already this virtue is implanted with the genes. This is the seed of the humanity. So, and this seed comes from during the affection of the mother and father. And that time or their Raj will enter in the mother's womb, and then our manifestation or born, our DNA is developed in the mother's womb. And so this is the process कि the need is understanding कि what is the Devi. Devi is the seed of the काम, क्रोध, लोभ, लालच, ईर्ष्या, घृणा, द्वेष. So it is the virtue of the nature. So you can understand कि it is a three form of the prakriti, tam, raj, sat. So this virtue is manifested in three form, tam, raj and sat. So and one tendency is a I is the main tendency of the nature, is a ego. It is always connect with the things which is toward desire. So you you observe your ego is always connect with the desire. So desire is a chemical. So as we understand our desire, the seed is the chemicals. The seed comes from the soil in the DNA. So Raj comes from the DNA. Our body evaluate. Our body is grow from the from the all the food which comes from the soils. So all the DNA is in the soil. The is our all seed comes from the soil, and it include in the acid form. It enter in the acid form. So it is the tendency is always chemicals reactions of the body, humanity. So you can understand why the main is always reaction activity is very higher side. So the main is pratikriyatmak. The main is getting so many anger anytime. Their ego is always connect with the desire. So desire is a chemical, and our chemical structure can destroy to so many things. So the desire is a very dangerous. If we understand about the desire, so there is no problem. But we are not understanding about the body structure. We are not understanding about the chemical structure. And but God has given the God has given to one power to the humanity. Ki they can understand all these things. And the man has consciousness. The man has consciousness, and according to this consciousness, the man can understand all these things, and they can get the liberation from the all chemical tendency, Satripu. So this is the this is the Devi. So Devi is existing in our human body, each and every cells. So the seed means Kam, Krodh, Lobh is existing in. It comes from the DNA genes, na? So the cells is growing. The cells is existing in all body cells. So matlab you can observe the Devi seed. So you will get in your inner side. You don't go outer side. You understand the virtue of the Bhagavati Ma. it is existing in our all body cells. So we need to understand about this activity. So many our master and sage has been told with the in the Markandeya Puran, and the Durga Saptati. Durga Saptati is a very very relevant Puran. We can understand their meaning. What Ma Bhagavati want to say, and what the Rishi want to say. Ki what is the liberation? So our liberation is the only or born purpose of in this universe. Ki we we uh, we will get liberation from the our tendency is the animal tendency, क्योंकि this such tendency is existing in all humanity, all animals, पशु पक्षी. क्योंकि the Durga Saptati, the sage is started to teaching the animals and पशु पक्षियों को. The sage is teaching to Pasu Pakshi, and they are providing knowledge. So you can understand we are at the consciousness, at the biologically tendency, we are the same, and the animals, and we are animal and humanity, we are not different, but our matlab the things which is make to different our consciousness. So if we nurture our consciousness, so we can get the liberation from all the animal tendency. So this is the purpose of the Sanatan Dharma. So what is the dharma? Dharma is nothing another things. Dharma is not worship. Dharma is the liberation from the bondage. Bondage matlab liberation from the animal tendency. Kam, krodh, lobh, lalach, irsya, gharna, dvesh. So this is the main things, and we can understand. So this is the this is the festival for all the humanity. Ki we pray to God, we pray to Ma Bhagavati, ki they will power or Shakti, the Vivek, discretions, and enthusiastic, honesty, sincerity, compassion, so that we can get the liberation. So we need to power. It means ki inner sight, ki we can fight our all tendency, the demon and God tendency. दोस्तों, this is the opportunity कि, and you don't blame to everyone on this, क्योंकि all the tendency is existing, all the humanity. So it is the virtue of the nature mother. If you are using the abuse language to anyone, so you are providing your abuse language to the nature mother, क्योंकि the virtue is existing in the nature mother. So our body is the general structure. Our body is implanted through the virtue. So we need to get the liberation from this tendency. So during this 9 days festival, we pray to Ma Bhagavati कि you give me tolerance power, you give me some discretion, so that I can understand, and you give me some such type of the wisdom and power, so that I can get the liberation from all the animal tendency. So this is the festival. So this is the essence of this festival. So I think कि मतलब you have understand this essence of this Parv, and every time the God is always, Devta is always defeating our tendency. So they always pray, always हमेशा देवता राक्षसों से हार जाते हैं, एंड दे प्रे टू भगवती अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड दे ऑलवेज प्रोवाइड द ऑफर स्तुति टू माँ भगवती. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्था, या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धि रूपेण संस्था, या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मी रूपेण संस्था. मतलब इट मीन्स कि मतलब द डिवोटी इज ऑफरिंग ऑल स्तुति टू माँ भगवती, क्योंकि यू आर एग्जिस्टिंग इन ऑल फॉर्म इन और द ह्यूमैनिटी, एंड यू कैन प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम all the Rakshas Pravarti. So it is the Stuti of the Bhagavati. So this is the very important days, 9 days. You can pray to Ma Bhagavati and you will get some blessing from the Ma Bhagavati and you will get liberation. So thank you. Have a nice day. You listens me patiently and I request to you forward this video to another person so they will also get this advantage of this message. So thank you. If you have any queries, so you can write down in the in description box. So once again, thank you.